Good evening all. Behind me is a place called Achizikwe. Achizikwe in old ancient city of Owuteda is a court of first instance. When you come to Achizikwe with your case, if it is decided by the elders and you don't like it, you appeal to Osisoma. And when you are not satisfied with Osisoma judgment, you appeal to Atamata Atinguzu, which is regarded and seen as the Supreme Court of the entire Edda clan. We are here in Owuteda to participate in the Ukpo festival celebration. This celebration is done to qualify somebody to be seen as a real man in the village. You must make yourself, for you to become Osu or Mizwe, you must have passed through the processes of Ukpo, initiation and celebration. Behind me are the elders and the local government chairman of Edda local government. Today we are celebrating and celebrating and celebrating. Thank you.